When was the last time you read the label on the back of your disinfecting wipes? It's a little scary, let me tell you. Cautionary statements down here that says to disinfect, allow the surface to remain visibly wet for 4 up to 10 minutes, depending on the brand of wipes that you're using. Also, that if it is to come in contact with food, that you need to make sure that you rinse thoroughly with water. And there's a precautionary statement that says hazardous to humans and domesticated animals. That's a little scary to be using these in the surfaces of your kitchen, in schools, anywhere that people are going to be coming in contact with them. So I want to show you a little bit how disinfecting wipes work, or maybe not work so well. I have got here some Glow Germ. Okay, this is commonly used to help kids learn to wash their hands. Gives them an ability to see what's on the surface, okay? So you can see that my germs glow in the dark. I'm going to take my disinfecting wipe and clean my surface off. Now, as you can see, everywhere that I have rubbed my disinfecting wipe has smeared those germs. Okay, they are not actually coming off of the surface. They are just being smeared around. That's not very good. Now, this is a Norwex Envirocloth. Okay, this is proven to remove 99% of bacteria using only water. So it's going to be perfectly safe. Check that out. It is going to grab everything on the surface and actually physically remove it. And there it is in my cloth. Now, what if I use my disinfecting wipe and I cover multiple surfaces? You see that I'm actually like re-spreading it on here. It's coming back. And this cloth is almost totally dry already. This is a brand new container of cloths. So this is definitely not going to keep any surface wet for 4 minutes. Use the same surface of my Envirocloth and is going to grab all of that is left over. So, which choice would you use? Choice is yours. But I definitely choose something that's going to be safer and is going to be reusable and renewable. This can be washed and used over and over and over and over again, instead of something that is used once, smears the grossness around, and then is tossed in the trash. And the surface has to be washed again. Better choice.